In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own icons using Canva AI. By the end, you'll be able to turn a simple idea into a clean, customizable icon you can use in presentations, social posts, websites, and more. Start on your desktop by opening Canva and logging into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left sidebar and click on Canva AI. This is where Canva groups its AI-powered tools. From there, select Text to Image. This feature converts your written description into visuals, including icon-style graphics. In the prompt box, describe the icon you want as clearly as possible. A helpful example is minimal line icon of a heart, flat design, white background. Short, specific phrases work better than long sentences. Include details like style, line weight, color, and background, such as thin outline, monochrome, rounded corners, or no background. The clearer you are, the closer the results will match your vision. Click Generate and give the tool a moment. You'll see several variations appear. Scan for the one that best fits your style and use case. If none of them feel quite right, refine your prompt with an extra detail, like thicker lines or outlined only, and generate again. Small prompt tweaks often make a big difference. When you've found a version you like, click Use in a design. Canva will place the icon onto a design canvas so you can edit it in context. Choose a canvas size that matches your project or go with the default if you're just testing. Now customize the icon. To resize, drag the corner handles so it scales proportionally and stays crisp. For recoloring, select the icon and use the color controls at the top to pick brand colors or a simple black or white for versatility. If the color option isn't available for a particular result, try generating a line icon or vector-style icon variation. Those tend to recolor more reliably. Take a moment to align the icon with other elements and give it a bit of breathing room so it remains clear at small sizes. If you need a set, repeat the same prompt structure for consistency, changing only the subject, like star, bell, or chat bubble, so the style stays cohesive. That's it. You've created a custom icon with Canva AI, chosen your favorite look, added it to a design, and tailored its size and color to match your project. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.